Good night, Madam Raja Rosna and everyone. Today we will be presenting our analysis title and analysis of Toyota's international business strategy and entry mode decisions. This presentation is based on Chapter 7 and Chapter 8 of our international business course. Toyota is not just a car manufacturer, it's one of the strongest examples of how a company expands globally while maintaining efficiency, innovation, and local responsiveness. So today, we will explore how Toyota builds its international strategy and how it decides which entry modes to use in different countries. Here we go. Slide 2, Introductions. Before we go into Toyota, specifically, let's look at the bigger picture. In today's global economy, companies cannot survive by focusing only on their domestic markets. Globalization has increased. Competitions reduce trade barriers and connect markets across the world. So expanding international is no longer optional. It is a tragic necessity. However, expanding is globally is not just about selling a product overseas. It requires a clear long-term strategy. Strategy determines whether a company can sustain competitive advantage, manage risks, and adapt to local market conditions. We select Toyota as our study because Toyota is globally recognized for its ability to balance global efficiency with local adaptations. In this presentation, we will connect Toyota real-world practice to Chapter 7, which focus on internationally strategy, and Chapter 8, which discusses attributes and strategy alliance. We go next, slide 3, company background. Now let's briefly understand Toyota background. Toyota was established in 1937 in Japan by Kichiro Toyota. From a small by 1937 in Japan by Kichiro Toyota. From a small Japanese company, Toyota has expanded to operate in more than 117 countries worldwide. One of Toyota's biggest strengths is the Toyota Made Production System, or TPS. This system amplifies efficiency, lean production, and continuous improvements, also known as Kaizen. Toyota also owns several major brands such as Toyota, Lexus, Daihatsu, and Hino. If we look at the global production map, we can see that the Toyota has manufacturing plants across North Americans, Europe, Asian, and most of them become of country like other regions. This show that Toyota does not only export cars, it invests directly in foreign markets through production facility, and this leads us to the international strategy. Transitions to strategy, we go in chapter 7. Now we move into the 7th, international strategy. We looked according to the theory, companies can adopt difference in strategies such as global standardizations, localization, international strategy, or transnational strategy. Toyota mainly follow a transnational strategy. What does this mean? It means Toyota tries to achieve global efficiency while also adapting to local market needs. For example, Toyota uses standardized platforms like the TNGA, Toyota News Global Architecture, to reduce production costs globally. At the same time, Toyota adapts engine types, vehicle features, and design preferences according to local customer demands. For instance, in the United States, larger SUVs and pickup trucks are popular. In Southeast Asia, full and efficient compact cars are more in demand. For instance, this ability to balance global integrations and local responsiveness gives Toyota a strong competitive advantage. Next, we go to chapter 8, entry mode decisions. Predation to entry modes. Chapter 8. When entering to a forex market, company must decide how do you want to enter? There are several options such as an exporting, licenses, frequency, joint venture, strategy, alliance, and wholly owned subsidiaries. Toyota use different entry modes depending on the country market conditions and regulatory requirements. In developed markets like the United States, Toyota use wholly owned subsidiaries, and this allows Toyota to have full country over operation and protect its technology. However, in countries like China, Toyota form joint venture such as Twins, FAW, and GSC. Why? Because the Chinese regulations require for automotive companies to partner with a local firm. This reduces politically risk and allow Toyota to access local knowledge and distribution networks. Toyota also formed strategies alliances such as the partnership with Panasonic for electric vehicles battery technology. This allows Toyota to share risk and resources in developing advanced technology. So we can see that Toyota entry modes decisions are not random. They are carefully aligned with the market conditions, risk levels, and long-term strategy. And then we got strategy fits. If we connect chapter 7 and chapter 8 together, we can clearly see strategy alignment. Toyota transnational strategy support is entry mode decisions. For example, standardization supports cost efficiency. Local partners support market responsiveness. Forex their investment supports control and quality management. This shows how strong strategy will fit between theory and real-world applications. A future challenge, however, to Toyota also face future strategy challenge. First, increase in competitions in electric vehicles from companies like Tesla and BYD. Second, regulatory change in different countries. Third, technology disruption such as AI and autonomous vehicle. And fourth, supply chain volatility, especially after global crisis. To remain competitive, Toyota must continue adapting its international strategy while maintaining innovation and sustainability. Lastly, Toyota demonstrates how multinationals how a multinational company can successfully implement a transnational strategy while carefully selecting appropriate entry modes in different markets. Further, it's not just expanding globally, it is strategically positioning itself in each market based on economics, politically and competitive factors. By aligning global efficiency with a local responsiveness, Toyota maintains long terms competitive advantage. Okay, thank you for your attention. Welcome to any questions. Okay, thank you for everyone.
Toyota International Strategy Model. Toyota use a transnational strategy. This means it's combine global standardization with a local responsiveness. Toyota develops a global platform and a standard like Toyota New Global Architecture, which had made a vehicle more efficient and cost-effective by sharing parts and design methods across many models. At the same time, Toyota adapts its product to local market through localized production, adjusting features and specification to meet local regulation and customer preference. So, in summary, Toyota achieves global efficiency while still being responsive to each country market. Now, slide 2. My slide number 2, strategy evolution. Toyota strategy has changed over time. In 1950 until 1980. Yes, Toyota mainly export vehicles from Japan to other country. Now, in 1990 until 2000, yes, Toyota expand by building factories abroad to localizing production to better serve each market. In 2020 years, Toyota focused on smart mobility and electrification, evolving from just making car to offering a broader mobility solution that include electric and future-oriented technologies. Overall, Toyota strategy show how. Sorry for technical problem. Now I finish my slide. Optional short summary to end. Overall, Toyota strategy shows how the company balance global efficiencies and the local market needs and evolves over time to remain competitive.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Arif Amin bin Muhammad Rana. Today I want to talk about strategic alliance and conclusion. The first is strategic alliance is Panasonic EV batteries, Subaru eTNGA platform, Suzuki Indian market, and that is advantage. And this advantage is high capital risk for Panasonic and technology leakage for Subaru, and limited control for Suzuki at disadvantage. The slide explains Toyota's strategic alliance and how they contribute to the company's global competitiveness. Toyota collaborates with several key partners to strengthen its capabilities in different areas. Its partnership with Panasonic focus on electric vehicle, EV battery development, helping Toyota enhance battery technology and reduce development costs. The alliance with Subaru support the development of the eTNGA platform, which is essential for producing efficient and scalable electric vehicle. Meanwhile, collaboration with Suzuki allow Toyota to strengthen its presence in the Indian market, leveraging Suzuki's strong local expertise and distribution network. This alliance provide major advantages such as cost sharing and faster innovation, enabling Toyota to remain competitive in the rapidly evolving automotive industry. However, strategic alliance also come with certain disadvantages. One key risk is high capital investment, as joint projects often require significant financial commitment. There is also the possibility of technology leakage, where sensitive knowledge may be shared beyond intended boundaries. Additionally, limited control can be a challenge since this decision making must be coordinated among partners. Despite these risks, Toyota managed its alliance strategically to balance benefit and challenge. Next is conclusion. Conclusion is the first thing is balance global local strategy, and next is flexible entry mode selection, and number 3 is strong alliance network, and lastly is future challenge EV competition. Toyota demonstrate a balanced global local strategy by combining international collaboration with strong local market adaptation. The company practice flexible entry mode selection, choosing partnership that best suit specific market and technologies. Its strong alliance network enhance innovation and competitiveness, although future challenges such as increasing EV competition remain significant. Overall, Toyota approach reflect the practical application of international business, particularly in cost sharing, risk management, and innovation acceleration. That's all from me. Thank you.
So I might continue the presentations to next slide. This is a strategic fit with chapter 7 and chapter 8 framework. Toyota have a theory concept and Toyota applications. So first of all, we got a global integrations, local AI responsive, FDI advantage, joint adventures, strategic alliance. Toyota demonstrate critical alignment between theory and real-world strategy. That is a Toyota applications. Toyota application has a TNGA platform standardizations, engine features adaptations, and full control in USA, FAW and GAC in China, and Panasonic EV partnership. More than that, we're going to feature strategic challenges in global market. Toyota has increased their EV competition, which is Tesla and BYD. More than that is regulatory charges in major markets, which is technology disrupt AI and autonomous vehicles. Other than that, they have a supply chain volatility and price stimulative pressure. Toyota must continuously adapt its international strategy to remain globally market and have to increase their sales around the world and make Toyota spread around all over the world. And then I will pass to my mates. Thank you.
Issues such as pandemic, geopolitical tension, and semiconductor shortage affect production. Toyota must strengthen supply chain resilience. Number 5, sustainability pressure. Customer and government demand greener and more sustainable vehicle. Toyota must focus on hybrid, EV, and hydrogen technologies to reduce carbon emission. In conclusion, Toyota must continuously adapt in international strategy to remain globally competitive in a rapidly changing environment. Thank you.